Namaste, everybody. Yes, my name is Connie. I'm from Germany, and this was my first time in India, and I can say this was really the best what I can do for my life, for myself. I practice yoga since 10 years. Not regularly, but I found out that it's really necessary for my body, for my mind. And then I wanted to know more about this, and I started to talk with people, and I'm connected with many people all over the world. And they told me about Adishakti yoga, and that they have really great picture, and they are do this yoga from the heart coming, and this was exactly what I'm looking for. And then I looked in the internet and I read a lot, and my heart was still with Adishakti, and then I decided I book this TTC 200 hours for 4 weeks with Adishakti here in Varkala, in the beautiful Kerala, directly at the beach. And yes, I did it. It was really a hard time. We had a long day every day, but it filled me up with so much energy and filled me up with such a great knowledge about this yoga and what happens around yoga, what is really so important for, I think, everybody. And yes, now I'm really happy, and now I'm sure now another time starts in my life, and I never will lose yoga, and I sure be connected for the rest of my life. And this is a very nice feeling, and I can only recommend change something in your life if you are not comfort with this. And yes, and what I like to say is the food is amazing. It's amazing here, really. Oh, I will miss it, I'm sure. And yeah, but sure I come back, sure.